These are FiFine's newest launch. These are their headphones that are studio monitors. They're called the H8s. And like the name suggests, these are studio monitors, meaning they offer a flat sound profile so that you can monitor your audio whenever you're recording for a podcast or for a video like I'm doing here. Now, one of the greatest features about these studio monitors is that they are plug and play, meaning you don't need any extra equipment to monitor your own audio. They do come out of the box with two cables. This is a normal 3.5 to 3.5, meaning you can hook it up straight into your MacBook or anything else that you use to record your audio. Now, the other cable that comes in the box comes with a 3.5 to a 6.5 entrance, and the 6.5 jack goes into an audio interface so you can get direct monitoring from your headphone straight into your microphone, or the other way around, from your microphone straight up into your headphones. Now, the great thing about studio monitors is that they do have a flat sound, meaning they don't boost any of the frequencies like other headphones would. So if I am using any other headphones to edit, I usually end up boosting the bass a little too low, just because all of my headphones that I have do have bass boosters, meaning naturally they're going to sound like the bass is higher when really it's a little bit lower. So for that reason, I really like using these headphones to edit all of my audio, because then it makes sure that all of the sound signatures will sound great, because these will sound just like they would on anything else. And if someone wants to boost the bass in their own headphones, it will do that with my audio. And if someone would rather decrease the bass, it'll do that as well. Now, these headphones are really lightweight, which is great if you're using it for long sessions, such as recording for a podcast. And then also all of the build quality is really great. If you look at the headband, they do have some foam padding, which is really great. And it does come with a little bit of stitching, which makes it look a little bit like fake leather. But this is really great. There's no stitching that's coming apart. Everything is perfect. And then also with the ear cuffs, they have really great padding as well. Like I mentioned, it's really comfortable. They're really lightweight. You don't get hot. I know there's sometimes you put over the ear headphones, and after about 15 to 20 minutes, it starts to get really hot, and then it starts really fatiguing your ears and fatiguing your head. But these are really great and lightweight. Now, aside from being lightweight, you can also adjust them in case you need them to be longer or shorter. And all of the branding on here is very minimal. You do get a little smiley face, which is what their branding or logo is. And then you also do get their name, their branding on the inside, but it's rather minimal. It just kind of reminds me of the Sony headphones, where if you see on the sides, they do have Sony written on them, but it's not plastered all over. It's not across the headband, and it's not written in huge letters, which I really think is great. And for $37, I think these are some of the best ones that you can get. You can get them straight from Amazon, and then with all of these cables, or these two cables, you can go ahead and plug it even into the microphones. FiFine also sells other types of microphones that do have any of the audio monitoring on the back of the microphone, so you can go ahead and hook these up as well. And with the larger one, you can also hook it up to any instruments that have an audio jack. I'll be linking these down in the description in case you're looking for some studio monitors to help you with your podcast or monitoring any of the audio that you take. Let me know, are these something that you're interested in? Are you looking for studio monitors? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.